Okay, real quick, the if statements. Make sure that you're using the point and click method to build your formulas. It's a lot easier than trying to type in all of the code to refer to a particular cell. So for the first one that you asked about, we're just doing a really basic if statement. If the student's age is greater than 23, we're going to return yes if it's true and no if it's false. So here's our spreadsheet. Here's the cell where I want my formula to go. We'll type equal because all formulas start with equal. If, because it's an if function. And notice it really doesn't matter if you have your caps lock on or not. Open parentheses. And so now it wants to know, okay, what's the test? What do you want me to look at? I want you to look at this cell. I'm going to click it. And notice how it fills in the formula up here. So if this cell is greater than 23, comma, I'm putting in a space, I want you to type yes. If not, comma, space, no, close the quotes, close the parentheses. I'm going to come back here and fix that to make sure that it's capitalized. All right, if age, because caps matter here because when you put it in quotes, it's going to drop in exactly what you type between the quotes. And that looks like it's good. I'm going to hit the check mark. Boom. And so it worked in this first one and it automatically filled it in for all of the cells below. If it doesn't automatically do that for you, just grab this fill handle here and drag it on down and it will copy it. Let me undo. Grab that. And you see it copies the formula all the way down. The second one is a little more complicated because we have two possibilities, if this or that gives us the positive. So I'm going to scroll down. I found this section in the book. We've got a nice little screenshot here with a sample of code and a sample of a project or a problem here. So I'm going to use this as a guide to fill in hours. So for hours, to be eligible, if the post-secondary years is greater than or equal to 2, or if the student's finance certified status is yes. And notice the quotes, that's again important. We're going to return the text yes, if not, no. So again, I'm using this in the textbook as a guide. So I'm going to pull over my spreadsheet and I want to see this. All right, that's for full. All right, so leadership training. So the first, we're doing an if or, so equal, if, open parentheses, and then or, open parentheses. That tells it, you know, we've got a couple of different options here. So if post-secondary years, and again, I'm using the point and click method, click, is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, and so I'm going to follow greater than or equal to that, comma. And my other or possibility here is or if the finance certified is equal to. Quotes are important because we're looking at a word and not a number. So we're putting that in. All right. So if or, I'm following the pattern here. I clicked that cell and told it equal to or greater than or equal to 2, comma. The or statement is the second thing, is equal to. Now I'm going to close my parentheses. Close my parentheses. And so what do I want it to do if it's true? I want it to, comma, type yes, comma, if it's not, I want you to put in no, quotes, close parentheses, and let's see if it works. Green check mark. Yep, it worked. And again, mine filled in for me. If yours does not, just use this little fill handle right here to copy it down. Let me know if that helps.